Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating the simple causes so you can move fast. First, check router and modem lights. If any light is red or absent, note it. Once done, power cycle both devices. Unplug for 30 seconds, plug the modem back in, wait about 60 seconds, then power the router. Make sure your device Wi-Fi is on and not in airplane mode, and that you select the correct SSID. These steps often restore service immediately and tell you whether you need to dig deeper. Now you focus on device and network configuration so the connection becomes reliable. If restarting didn't help, forget the network and rejoin it. This clears corrupted credentials. Make sure you enter the password correctly. Once reconnected, move closer to the router and remove obvious interference like microwaves. If performance is poor, change the router's channel to a less crowded one. Also update your device's Wi-Fi drivers or run the built-in network troubleshooter. To complete the repair, inspect router settings that control access so you don't overlook hidden blocks. You should check DHCP and the connected clients list. Clear any MAC filters or IP conflicts, and only set a static IP if you understand the addressing. If configuration errors persist, back up your router settings and perform a factory reset. This erases custom settings, but often resolves deep firmware faults. If nothing works, contact your ISP and report modem and router light patterns, plus tests you ran so they can escalate support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.